Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to delete a second account on Instagram in 2024. Whether you've created it by mistake, for a business that no longer exists, or just want to declutter your digital life, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's clarify when you want to delete a secondary Instagram account, you have to ensure you're logged into that specific account. So once you're in, make sure you're on the profile of the account you wish to delete. Tap on the three horizontal line which will lead you to settings. Tap on account center, then tap on personal details. Then you'll need to tap on account ownership and control, then tap on delete account. Now choose the account which you want to delete. Select the delete account, then continue. Here you'll need to choose why you want to delete your account. Then tap on continue. You may be prompted to enter your password. After doing so, you can delete your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your second Instagram account. If you have any second thoughts, Instagram does give you a grace period of 30 days to cancel the deletion process.